Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool strip diagram, specifically comparison. We are working with a problem related to TEKS 3.5c, and we'll do it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So Maya is collecting seashells at the beach. And the expression shows the number of seashells that Jordan collected. So there's two uh, numbers right here, and Maya is collecting the six seashells. So we can put Maya. Now, when it says seven, it doesn't mean that Jordan collected seven. It's an expression, shows the number of seashells that Jordan collected. So Jordan is what's left, which is not seven, but times seven. Okay, so if Maya collected six, then it looks like Jordan might collect seven times as much. Let's draw that as a strip diagram to make sure we're understanding it. So I'm going to put M for Maya. I'm just going to give her one little box here. She collected six. Now, Jordan did not just collect seven, she collected seven times as much. So if my unit is six, I'm just going to draw it like this and represent it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So Jordan is going to be seven times as much as Maya. And you notice that they're two different quantities, so we're not necessarily combining them into equal groups, or we're not dividing them. We're just using comparison to show the relationship between Maya and Jordan's seashells. So Jordan is times 7. Now, instead of just saying how much does Jordan have, which this is 6 times 7, so that's just a basic fact. That's 42. And that does make sense, right? The expression shows the number of seashells that Jordan collected. Well, we did it right because 6 times 7 is 42. But that's not what the question is asking for. Now we need to describe it with words. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to put Jordan or Maya in this first box. Blank collected blank, blank, blank did. Seems kind of confusing, but let's think about what we did. Look at our words right here. More seashells or times as many as. So we're not dealing with more seashells. We're dealing with this multiplication means times as many. So we need to think about who collected times as many seashells as somebody else did. So who collected more seashells? Well, more seashells was Jordan because I'm going to have to stick this times as many because if not, I'm going to have to use more seashells, but it's not a plus relationship, an additive relationship. So I'm going to say Jordan, she is the one that is going to collect times as many as Maya. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of this one. Now, Jordan collected blank, blank, blank did. I need a name, I need a number, and I need times as many because we're not going to use more seashells as. So Jordan collected how many times as many seashells? Well, Maya collected 6. Remember, Jordan's expression said times 7. So I'm going to say that Jordan collected 7. Maya? No, that's not going to work. 7. This is where this finally goes. Times as many. I'm going to have to kind of cheat and go underneath seashells as, and then Maya is our last one. So let's see if this makes sense. Jordan, remember the times 7 is Jordan, collected 7 times as many seashells as Maya did. So we don't need this 6. That's our answer.